Trial and improvement 1. We're going to solve the equation x squared equals 1369 using trial and improvement. So, we need to draw a table with 3 columns in it. On our first column, we're going to put an x. On the second column, we're going to work out what x squared is. And in the third column, we're going to write down whether our guess was too big or too small. Okay, x squared equals 1369. Let's take a guess at x is 30. X squared is 900. Now that's too small for our answer. So for my next guess, I'm going to go for 40, which is bigger than 30. What's 40 squared? It's 1600. So that's too big. So for my next guess, if 30 is too small and 40 is too big, I'm going to go for a guess somewhere in between those two. So let's go for 35. 35 squared is 1225. That's still too small. So it's got to be somewhere between. So it's got to be somewhere between 35 and 40. Let's go for 38. 38 is 1444. It's too big. So somewhere between 35 and 38. Let's try 37. 37 squared is 1369. So that is the correct answer. Right, let's try x squared plus x equals 62.16. X squared plus x means take a number, square it, then add itself on again, and we want that to equal 62.16. And we're looking for a decimal answer this time as well. So again, we're going to draw out a table. In our first column, we've got an x, that's what our guesses are going to be. Then we're going to work out x squared plus x, so we're going to square the number and then add it on again. And then finally, we're going to write down if it's too big or too small. Okay, so our first guess, 9. 9 squared is 81, plus itself, 9 again, is 90. So that first guess was too big. Let's try 7. 7 squared is 49, plus 7 again is 56. That's too small. Let's try 8. 8 squared is 64, plus another 8 equals 72. So still too big, so because our 7 was too small and 8 was too big, so it's somewhere between those. So let's go for 7.5. 7.5 squared is 56.25, plus 7.5 again adds up to 63.75. That's just slightly too big. Let's try 7.4. 7.4 squared is 54.76, plus 7.4 again is 62.16. So 7.4 is our answer.